Here are 4 unicorn slimes. The containers are just like unicorns. That's why they're probably called unicorn slimes. Watch this video and find out how we open them and how to make necklaces. Welcome back to Catherine and Justin's playtime and study time. Today we went to Michael's to buy a bunch of stuff. So let's have a look.
I bought one marble and one marble.
So I got some slime, a beanie boo, and then we have some beads so we can make necklaces.
Yeah.
OK， 你买了 beanie boo， 它叫什么名字呢
？This one's sugar.
Sugar 糖啊。
Yeah. Christmas puppy.
OK.
And I also made a necklace with these beads for my little bunny.
Necklace 是项链。
Justin. Okay, so we have some beads right here. We're gonna cut it open and dump it in our bowl of beads. And share it. It's my beads because I bought it. You bought crystals.
Oh.
He bought a crystal, but he forgot to bring it up.
还有买了一个水晶。
Yeah, I bought a marble.
Okay, just take your hands out of there. They're not yours.
Let's mix them up.
Yeah.
Mixing all the big ones.
Now you have to get a treasure hunt to find all the big beads. Justin, don't spill any on the ground. It took me forever to clean them up.
I need to get my marble.
Okay, so we got sugar and some unicorn slime.
Unicorn 是叫什么？
独角兽。
独角兽。对了，你再来。
Unicorn.
Puppy.
Puppy 是小狗。小狗在哪里？Justin 呢？小狗。这个是小狗啊。
Yes.
它是圣诞节的小狗吗
？Unicorn.
Unicorn 是独角兽，是你的是那个啊？对了，独角兽。
Beads.
你的是珠子是吗？Christmas 是圣诞什么？圣诞节。他戴的头箍是 Christmas 的圣诞，对不对
？4 pack. There's 4. Hey, you're not.
4 pack 就是有四件套。
And colors.
Colors 就是各种颜色啦。好。
Okay, so we still have to open some slime. We're gonna move our beanie boos away. Okay. Whoa.
Wow.
We're not opening them yet. Okay, do you want to open the blue one? Okay, yeah. Okay.
Blue 是蓝色的，这个是那个又是橡皮梨。
I don't need scissors. Ew, some blue slime's already leaking. I know. Okay. How do you open this? That's how you open it. It's so cool. It's like jelly.
像果冻一样 jelly.
Just pull it out. Okay, let me. It's actually kind of hard to take it out, but okay. I'm gonna get used to it.
Unicorn.
Justin 穿的是你上次给他买的，是不是
Yeah, he's wearing.
那个 clothes 是不是？你在 Gap 买的。
So it's actually not really stretchy, but it's so soft.
2 eyes.
Don't put any beads in them.
Justin 站起来看一下你的新衣服。哇，很漂亮，鲨鱼的。鲨鱼怎么说
Where did the container go?
Shark.
对了。
So we're gonna put these back so we can play with the more slimes in the container. Whoa. Okay, where did the cat go? Justin, put them back in. Justin didn't really get all that out, so yeah. So put our 2 little unicorns.
I want to open the yellow one.
So wait.
Yellow 是黄色。
I need to cut them open first.
他可以帮你开一个。
I can use my nails.
好，小斯汀帮你开一个吧。
I want to open the.
你手上拿的是什么颜色
Purple and yellow.
？Purple 是什么？中文？
紫色。
紫色对了 ，Yellow 是黄色。
Slime on it.
Yeah, there's a little bit leaking out, but okay. It's so soft. It's a little crumbly. It's so pretty.
Wow.
Just see right through it, see?
Oh.
Hi. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the rest of the slime out.
Unicorn.
Want me to help you take it out? You can play with my slime. Wow, these unicorn slimes are hard to get out.
好，贾斯汀，你做的项链在哪里？
He didn't really make one that much. He just liked to play with it.
I made one.
Here's the yellow slime.
Yellow 黄色。
Okay. Wait, did you just take the cap? Okay. So now I can put the... Wait, why is there a chunk of glitter at the bottom? Ew, okay.
有个亮片在里面。
Putting that in. So we have some string over here, so we can make a necklace.
啊哈，我们现在来做项链。你要做那种双层的线项链，是不是？
Yeah.
好，跟贾斯汀一起做吧。
Well, it won't cut. Let me use my other hand.
Justin， 帮他剪开一下。
So now we're going to teach you how to make some necklaces. Hey, no, you don't get to use those. I paid for them myself. Okay, so I'm going to use a big pink one.
哇哦，好漂亮。
Okay, now I'm going to do two.
Justin, sit down. Sit down. You can sit down to do.
Justin, stop it. Two blue ones. So we're still making necklaces. All you really have to do is pick a few beads and put them in a string, and it just turns into a necklace. It just has to be long enough to go around your neck.
啊哈，贾斯汀在做什么呢？
Making a necklace.
好，贾斯汀，该你说啦。
I'm making a necklace.
OK。哇哦，好漂亮。
Okay, now I'm gonna use some of these big beads. I'm gonna use the big ones. Cause we don't really have beads, so we went to the craft store, Michael's, and got some more beads because.
啊哈，今天是，下次我带你们去，我专门拍一个去 Mac 的，就是可以小朋友买东西的 video。
And next time I'm gonna bring $22 to buy something.
He used up all his money.
你哪来的钱呢？
He plays piano and then he gets money.
好吧。
I got $10. Catherine, I think Catherine already used her $10.
No, I only used $7.
I still have $3. I still have 11.
Okay, so I'm still making mine because making necklaces take forever. When I was making this one, it took an hour.
哦，做了一条，花了1个小时啊！我来。
I made one too. It took 2 hours.
哇哦，2层呢，是不是？看一下，看一下，
This one's mine.
这是你做的吗？
Yeah.
I made one too.
哦，真的啊？那你花了多长
Yeah,
时
but
间
it was kind of weird.
2 hours.
？2 hour 2个小时啊，这真的是很费时间呢。
But it's kind of fun to do, so.
啊哈，就是很有意思的事情可以去做。
Okay, so I'm gonna add 2 more blue beads from there. And 1 here. All the white beads Justin pushed down into the middle. What? This is not a bead at all, Justin. Why you put that in there?
这个是 Crystal 的 ball 是不是？
Now I'm gonna put in some small pink ones because I only put in a big pink one not so far. So.
嗯哼。
Put that in.
Justin，赶快去做啊！
He's just looking at beads saying me, 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 me. There you go. Okay, now I have 2 more beads I want to put in. And then my necklace can be finished because I don't want to take forever. Okay. There you go. Next time we go to Michael's, we're probably going to get more beads because this is only 36.
Uh-huh.
Okay, time to tie a knot. So how you tie a knot is you cross and then you flip it over one of
把它
them.
打个结，是不是？
And then you want to do that again.
Oh, you did it. Justin, 你要教 Justin 不会做。
I made one too.
啊哈，这是给你的小旺旺做的吗？
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make another knot because these beads, they have big holes, so they fall through everything. Okay, almost done. Just one more knot.
嗯哼，你快做完了。哦，这个其实做下来就是根据你的自己的创意，想怎么做就怎么做。哦，好漂亮！你小兔子的项链呢？
Oh no, she fell. Okay, I got her. Okay, so I made this a simple necklace, just a white and two blues.
啊哈。
So super cute. I made a little bracelet for my little bunny, but it looks like it fell off because her hands aren't separated.
OK， 你要不要教大家做你的那个2层的那个项链？
Okay, so how...
I know how to make one.
What happened to the... Wait, what happened to the string, Justin? So now I'm going to teach you how to make these 2-layered ones.
啊哈，
So
2
it's
层的
actually
项链。
really simple. You want to fold your string in half, like that, so you can put in 2. And then you want to grab the folded end of the string, and you want to make a knot. So I had to do this a lot of times because the hole in these beads
It's too hard.
are so big. Okay, so 2 knots. You're probably gonna have to do more than that. Okay, so first you want to put the strings together, and then you want to put a bead through, and then you want to pull them apart,
嗯哼，分成2条线。
and then you want to put 2 beads on each string. And so now you have 2 layers.
啊哈。
Now you want to do that again. Justin, stop breaking my things. Justin, give me the bead. Okay, so then you want to do that again.
看一下。好，打开看一下，2
So
层的。
now it's 2 layers, and you just want to keep on doing it forever, and it
放
turns
你手
into
上看一下，
this.
放你手上看一下，这个和这个比起来。
So
啊。
this used to be
是2层的
just
2个颜色
like this.
好，放在手上慢慢看一下。
This used to be just like this,
啊哈。
but then I took forever and it turned into this. So I made 3 of them. I can't find one of them, so I can't show you that one. But there's a pink and yellow one and
它已经
a black and orange one.
啊哈。
Tiger stripes and
照你
lemon.
的方法就可以这样做，对不对
Yeah.
？OK。
So that's how you make it. You can add more strings if you want to add more layers, but that's actually really, really, really hard. Ugh. And yeah. So it's super fun to make, and it's worth your time if you're bored and at home and have nothing to do.
啊哈。
So that's how you make this stuff. So yeah. So that is the end of this video. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.